So, while Mom was at work,
Yes.
a box arrived.
My order for the month.
Her order for the month, her loyalty rewards order. So let's see what she's got.
Paper.
Ooh. Sustainably packaged paper.
More paper.
Reuse it. A lot of paper.
Well,
Ooh.
let's see. Oh, I got my adaptive.
You can talk louder.
I got my adaptive
When do you take those?
at night before I go to
Bedtime?
bed.
Yeah, me too.
Got my turmeric
Ooh, turmeric dual chamber capsules. When do you take those?
in the morning first thing.
First thing, are they helping with aches and discomfort, stiffness?
Yep.
Immune
That's what I use them
support?
for. And more adaptive.
More adaptive. Ooh, she's stocking up on the adaptive, people.
I ran out.
Oh.
Well, I didn't quite.
Dad, turn it down. You're too loud. My dad's got music going in the background.
Let's see. I got
Ooh.
my free frankincense.
Free frankincense. So how much do you have to spend to get the free frank?
200 PV.
Mm-hmm.
And I got my free balsam fir.
Ooh, it comes with something else. It comes with
Oh,
this.
yeah, but I hadn't got that far.
What's from that?
And then I got,
So you got two things. So you can get three things free. A free ornament. That's what she's opening.
my dolomite
Ornament.
ornament.
It's pretty. We can put it on the tree.
We can. I'll leave it out.
See, on the tree. Perfect. So the balsam fir is, can you get it anytime?
Nope. Just this one.
Just this month.
Before the 15th.
By the 15th. You have to do it by the 15th.
Yep.
So you guys have some more days, and it has to be a loyalty rewards order to be able to get the free ornament with the balsam fir. And it smells amazing. I love it.
And I got the cuisine blend.
Those sold out.
Yeah, I heard. My Mexican.
Ooh, you want to smell it? I haven't smelled these, so I'm excited.
Ooh. I smell cumin.
Ooh, it smells Mexican-y.
And this is tropical.
Fish. Chicken.
Ooh, that's good. You could just eat
I
that.
could just, yeah. They said you can put it in smoothies, that one, tropical. Ooh, that one smells good. You can put it in water.
And this one's Italian.
Ooh, Italian. I bet it's gonna be heavy in oregano. Rosemary.
It smells like some of the Italian stuff, but I'm not exactly sure what I'm smelling.
It is definitely a combination of, I mean, it smells Italian. It smells like spaghetti sauce.
Oh, that's the thyme I'm smelling.
Yeah, it's thyme. It's heavy in thyme. Ooh, yum.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, yes, my LLV. My Lifelong
Vitality, yep.
Yeah.
And you take that every day.
Yes.
Do you notice a difference?
I notice a difference if I don't. Yes.
What happens when you don't?
The energy is less, and I seem to, I don't know, not feel as good. How's that?
Brain function? Yeah, I feel like my brain functions a little bit better. Ooh.
My PB Assist.
So you probably got that discounted because you added it to your
Yes.
Lifelong Vitality.
I did.
Yay. And then
And
you
I
you
bought
got three.
because I ran out.
Yep.
I'm on my last one.
Last bottle. So that's the PB
Oh.
Assist is our pre and probiotic.
The copaiba and the turmeric I got at a discount because came with my third relief kit.
Oh, we should open that too so they can see what's in there.
Okay.
Okay, so that's everything in the box. So yeah, it's much better discount when you do the kits. You can get copaiba and turmeric capsules a lot cheaper.
Oh, instructions.
Yep, don't throw those away, please. It helps you know how to use them. This is really cute.
Oh, I got roller balls, it says. Okay, there, 3.
So she can make her own little relief support roller ball.
Oh, I got the past tense that it's not available.
Well, so past tense, that's a little note. You notice it's a child safety cap. doTERRA had to change things. FDA came back and said for purposes because it was such a strong oil, you need to do a child safety. So it used to be in a roller ball. This is the only way you can get it right now is in this kit. month 3, and then you can make your own. They give you a little tiny frankincense.
No, this isn't frankincense.
I mean, sorry, fractionated coconut oil, started with an F. And you can make your own roller ball, which I love about that. You can add your copaiba to it to enhance it. You could add marjoram if you have aches and discomfort, like more muscular aches and discomfort. So you could kind of change up your roller ball. And then
Deep blue.
you got the deep blue, because the touch of the deep blue and the past tense are not available right now. They have to reformulate, figure out new caps. So this is the way you'll be able to get your past tenses in this kit.
And now I got more turmeric.
Yay!
How did I
She won't run
realize?
out. So past tense, what do you use that one for, Mom?
Migraines for me.
Okay, so they help soothe and support that.
When I first get the wavy lines, if I take that and the roller ball and put it across my forehead and then a drop of helichrysum, it makes it much better.
Yeah, yeah,
supports
it does make a lot less intense. Helps support.
That's it.
So that's everything in our box. Let us know what you guys got in your boxes. And you can see Mom's wearing something else. She got a little gift.
Yeah, it's from Stephanie.
You liking it?
I like it.
Yeah. So she got a little gift, and she gifted one to my aunt as well. So it's diffuser. You guys have been seeing me wear it. And then it came with a roller blend. And then we've got not a lot of holiday stuff left. So if you guys have been curious or been wanting, be sure to check those out. I think the Rose is still available, hand lotion, and the Hope Touch, which all proceeds to both of those go back to Healing Hands Foundation. And the Hope Touch, those proceeds go to Healing Hands Foundation specifically towards human trafficking, fighting against that. So that's a really awesome cause. I like that. Yeah, Mom's talked up on the adaptive and PBSS there. Now I know where it all went. So yeah, you can see we both love our adaptive. Helps at night. I've actually upped to taking 2 at night lately. And then I tried a new trick that Lisa Fleeman had shared, because Sonia had shared it with her and all of us. And Lisa had reminded me in the diffuser. So with my adaptive, I've been adding frankincense and marjoram. And I've been noticing I'm sleeping a lot more soundly. It's been really helpful. So definitely try that combo. You might think, marjoram? Isn't the room gonna smell like spaghetti sauce or pizza? It doesn't. Have you noticed when you walk in? Nope, doesn't smell like pizza. And it really does help. So I've loved using those. Frank is one I use every day. I had you guys saw I had a nasty headache. I took some Frank to my thumb, roof of my mouth, and it really helps support the aches and discomfort from that. But yeah, I'm excited. You got some good stuff.
I did.
So let us know what you saw that might be your favorite, or what you use, or maybe something on your wish list, and then share what you guys got. We'll see you all later.
Bye.
Bye.